Are you a stay-at-home mom looking for real online jobs and side hustles that can help you earn a reliable income while managing your family's responsibilities? You're not alone. Many stay-at-home moms are searching for ways to contribute financially without leaving the house. And the good news is that there are plenty of online jobs designed to fit your schedule. Whether you have experience in customer service, marketing, or other fields, there's a remote job that will allow you to work from home while managing childcare and household duties. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best online jobs for moms, including salary information and job responsibilities to help you find the perfect fit. One of the biggest advantages of working from home is the flexibility these online jobs offer. Many of these positions allow you to set your own schedule, which means you can work during school hours or after bedtime. These jobs are perfect for moms who want to contribute financially without missing out on valuable time with their kids. Let's begin with a job that has become increasingly popular: freelance photography. Freelance photographers can earn an average of $21,446 annually by staging photo shoots, editing photos, and delivering images to clients. As a mom, this job is ideal if you enjoy capturing family moments and you can specialize in maternity, newborn, or family photography, fitting it around your own schedule. Another great option for stay-at-home moms is becoming a call center representative. With an average salary of $34,024 per year, this job involves providing customer service over the phone or through video chat. You will assist customers with questions, process payments, and handle inquiries from the comfort of your home. If you have excellent communication skills and enjoy helping others, this is a flexible job that allows you to balance work and family life. For moms who love writing, blogging is an excellent way to earn an income from home. Bloggers make an average of $39,186 annually by creating content on topics like parenting, cooking, homeschooling, and even personal finance. As a blogger, you will manage an editorial calendar, write articles, and share your content on social media, all while working from home. This job offers creative freedom and can grow into a profitable venture over time. For moms who are great with numbers, becoming a bookkeeper is another rewarding job. With an average salary of $41,059 per year, bookkeepers record financial transactions, process payments, and create financial reports for clients. This job requires attention on detail and math skills, but it can be done entirely from home, making it a perfect fit for moms who want to work remotely. Another excellent work from home job is being a transcriptionist, which has an average salary of $42,667 per year. Transcriptionists listen to audio recordings and type them into written documents. Accuracy and attention to detail are essential in this role, and you can specialize in areas like healthcare or legal transcription, which often offer higher pay. If you're someone who loves promoting products online, becoming a brand ambassador could be the right job for you. Brand ambassadors earn an average of $45,471 per year by promoting products and services on social media. Many brand ambassadors work entirely online, sharing their experience with products and engaging with their audience. This role offers flexibility and the ability to work with brands you love, all while staying home with your children. For moms who are social media savvy, consider working as a social media specialist, where you can earn an average of $46,287 per year. Social media specialists manage content for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You'll be responsible for creating posts, engaging with followers, and growing a brand's online presence. This job is perfect for moms who want to work flexible hours and enjoy spending time on social media. If you have design skills, becoming a web designer is a fantastic way to earn an income from home. Web designers earn an average of $51,331 per year by creating websites for clients. This job involves working on everything from design and layout to functionality using coding and design tools. If you have a creative flair and enjoy working on technical projects, web design can offer both flexibility and steady income. For moms who love teaching, becoming a tutor is a rewarding and flexible option. Tutors can earn an average of $53,638 per year by helping students learn online. Whether you specialize in math, languages, or test preparations, tutoring allows you to work with individual students or small group from the comfort of your home. Many tutoring platforms allows you to set your own hours, making it an ideal job for moms. Another writing-related job is becoming a freelance writer. With an average salary of $53,697 per year, freelance writers create a content for websites, magazines, and other outlets on a wide range of topics. As a freelancer, you can choose the projects you take on and work with clients all over the world, making this a highly flexible job for stay-at-home moms. One of the most in-demand online jobs for moms is becoming a virtual assistant, where you can earn an average of $66,512 per year. Virtual assistants handle administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling social media posts, and making travel arrangements. Many virtual assistants work for multiple clients, allowing them to balance work and family responsibilities while earning a solid income from home. Finally, for moms who are creative and enjoy design work, becoming a freelance designer is an excellent choice. Freelance designers can earn an average of $71,351 per year by creating logos, branding materials, and other visual content for businesses. This job allows you to work on creative projects from home, giving you the flexibility to manage your family while pursuing your passion. As you can see, there are numerous online job opportunities available for stay-at-home moms. Whether you are interested in creative work, customer service, or administrative tasks, there's a job out there that fits your skills and lifestyle. These jobs not only provide flexible schedules but also allow you to stay home with your children while contributing financially to your household. That's all for today.